Farm animal counting 1 to 20.
Count the cows. How many are there? There are 6 cows. Count the pigs. How many are there? There are 15 pigs. Count the horse. How many are there? There are 10 horses. Count the sheep. How many are there? There are 8 sheep. Count the donkeys. How many are there? There are 11 donkeys. Count the ducks. How many are there? There are 6 ducks. Count the goats. How many are there? There are 6 goats. Count the chickens. How many are there? There are 12 chickens. Count the turkeys. How many are there? There are 17 turkeys. Count the rabbits. How many are there? There are 9 rabbits. Great job counting all of the farm animals. Subscribe, like, share.